To fix always on display displaying for only 10 seconds on the Redmi Note 14s, I will quickly show you step by step how you can do this. First, let me explain the problem. As you just could see, the always on display just like disappeared, went back to sleep after the 10 seconds. And also if you go for the always on display options, you can only set up the display time for 10 seconds. And the name says that it is supposed to be always on the display, but it is not. So there is kind of a way to bypass it, but I don't really recommend you to do this because the system might be unstable after the changes that you will do right here, and you are only doing it at your own risk. But now I will show you how you can do this. So first of all, you'll have to enable the developer options. So you'll have to go into the settings and move into the About phone. From here, you'll have to go down and go for the detailed info and specs. And as you're here, you have to press the OS version, I believe, a couple of times until you will be a developer. After that, you are being notified that you are now a developer. So now we'll have to go back from these settings, and from here on these settings scroll all the way down and move into the additional settings. And from here you have to scroll all the way down again, and right here you will be able to find these developer options. So let's navigate in there, and you'll have to scroll all the way down in these developer options, and after that scroll up until you find the reset to default values. You'll have to tap on this option a couple of times, and after that there will appear this option, turn on system optimization. It is currently turned on, and you'll have to turn this option off. And here you are also being notified that this feature is not intended to be disabled by the regular users. So like, once again, I tell you that I highly do not recommend to actually do this. I recommend you to not turn off this option, and you are doing this at your own risk. After that, simply press accept, and now the system optimization is disabled. And now as we turn off the screen and the always on display will appear, now we will be able to see that the always on display will indeed be here like always, not only for 10 seconds, but it will be here always. So this is the quick bypass you can do for the always on display to appear like always, not only for 10 seconds. But once again, I tell you that I do not recommend to do this, and actually simply you'll have to like enjoy the 10 seconds always on display if you don't want to lose stability of your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching.